By the year 2040, the Arctic ice caps are expected to have no ice at all during the summer season. This is being caused by global warming. The steady increase in temperature will impact us all. National Geographic presumes that strong hurricanes, droughts, heat waves, wildfires, and other natural disasters may become commonplace in many parts of the world. An increase in desert space may also cause food shortages in many places. The longer we wait to take serious action, the worse off our planet will be. Within global warming, there are many problems arising with the world, the most drastic and serious being temperatures rising, as well as ocean levels rising, and mass deforestation's impact on the world's animal life. Perhaps one of the bigger problems pertaining to global warming is temperatures rising. According to an ongoing temperature analysis conducted by scientists at NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies, the average global temperature on Earth has increased by about 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880. While this doesn't seem like a major difference, just a 2-degree increase in temperature could cause enough coastal flooding to affect 10 million people, the worst off being Louisiana and Florida. The increase in temperature over the past century can be easily displayed by glaciers. Montana's Glacier National Park now has only 27 glaciers versus the 150 it possessed in 1910. At this rate, the glaciers in the national park will be completely melted by the end of this century. But global warming does not just affect the ice caps and glaciers. Some experts from National Geographic speculate that rising temperatures will also increase the number of extreme weather events such as tsunamis or forest fires. Another major issue caused by global warming is the rise of ocean levels, which is partly caused by the ice caps melting. By the end of the century, sea levels could rise between 7 and 23 inches. To put that into perspective, a rise of just 4 inches could flood many South Sea islands and many swamp areas in Southeast Asia. The melting of glaciers that are causing sea levels to rise is causing many droughts in the world, places that depend on runoff water. Mass deforestation is another huge issue in today's world. The atmosphere is filling up with carbon dioxide because humans are pouring it into the atmosphere faster than plants and oceans can absorb it, and cutting down forests is not helping the problem. Around 18 million acres of forest are lost each year, about 36 football fields worth every minute. Another issue besides carbon dioxide levels is the huge loss of wildlife. 70% of the world's plants and animals live in forests, are losing their habitat, and as many as 30 to 60% of all species are headed quickly towards extinction by the middle of this century. The rise of temperatures is melting the ice caps and causing ocean levels to rise, which is flooding many islands. Also, a lot of the world's forests are being destroyed for room for other things such as cities and factories, which is causing many species of plants and animals to go extinct. Humans need to do their part to help clean up the planet and reduce the pollutants we produce. As Mike Huckabee said, the most important thing about global warming is this: whether humans are responsible for the bulk of climate change is going to be left to the scientists, but it's all of our responsibilities to leave this planet in better shape for the future generations that we found it. Thank you.